Hey there, while everyone is obsessing over fall fashion, I ran into a whole bunch of new summer joy at Walmart, and it reminded me that fun with style belongs to every age and every budget. And dressing with joy shouldn't just be okay, it should be the goal. And speaking of fun, check this out. With so much of summer left and so many things going on, like family reunions, backyard barbecues, company picnics, date night, today I'm going to bring you outfits from Walmart, mostly cotton, free assembly, no boundaries, scoop, the brands that we know and trust, that when you pull them out of your closet, they're going to spark joy and make you excited to go to those events. We're going to kick this off with this navy blue and white 98% cotton dress from Free Assembly. It is $36 and still available in sizes extra small all the way up to extra large in my area, and availability may vary by your area. I'm in the Pacific Northwest and I'm only showing you things today that are widely available where I am, so hopefully they're also available to you. This is 98% cotton, maxi dress with a side zipper, and I saw that some of the XX larger sizes are gone, and that tells me what I was thinking about this already, that this looks good on everybody. It's got this nice V halter neck to it, and it has pockets, and it's just so cool and festive and fun. And what a conversation starter. You may be at some event where you're sitting next to a stranger and they're going to compliment you on this dress, and then you've just made a new friend. Everything I'm showing you in this Walmart video should be popping up here with a QR code. You can scan it with your phone if you're interested in seeing what it looks like on the model and what different sizes and colors are available. I also have on a really cute stretchy chain bracelet from Jessica Simpson. And on my feet, I have the Time and True women's Strappy sandals. These sandals are going to be the workhorse of the rest of my summer because they go with so many things and they're so comfortable. Let me slip this off and show you what the padding looks like. And of course, being from Walmart, they're going to leave your budget left over to buy other fun things because they're only $14.98. A simple, elegant, comfortable, strappy little shoe. You're going to get all the sun on your feet this way. So Free Assembly, I think, is one of my favorite brands at Walmart. It's so versatile, so trendy. It makes sizes and cuts and fits that fits all age groups and all styles. And they are really bringing it with the summer fun. This has brought me so much joy. When I first saw this cotton poplin top in Walmart, I looked at it and I thought, no, I don't know if that's going to work or fit on me. But then I put on my Walmart Free Assembly high-waisted 6-inch shorts that bell out a little bit like the top, and I had the perfect outfit. And for shoes, I'm wearing these Athletic Works rope sandals with a nice comfortable foamy bottom on them that are on sale for $6.50 right now. These shorts, I believe, may be out of stock. I believe they were under $20. I will put a link to them anyway, but this is still totally in stock. I have to show you the back of it. It's so cute and a great value at $26. It just reminds me of some of the more whimsical things I see from like Free People. I'm going to back up so you can see all the embroidery on the back of this. So cute. And it comes with a midi length skirt as well, so you could wear it as a matching set and just have all these really cute embroidered things on it. Now, I actually saw this online, and when I saw it, I was like, nah. But when I saw it in person, the quality of the embroidery is so nice. So nice. I'll hold it up to the camera again. And then for sizing reference, I am 5'4.5". I wear a size small or medium on the top and a size 4 or 27 on the bottom. And the last dress that I was wearing, I actually was wearing in an extra small. And the reason I got that in the extra small was because I could see the waist was elastic. It was going to cinch in my waist, create a little more of a figure, and it had that flowy skirt that came out. So I thought if I wore a small, it might be a little more fabric. So I was able to get into the extra small on that one. So I'm still here to have fun and joy in my outfit. Sometimes I don't want to be all in bright pink and yellow and loud. So I have on a really fun navy monochromatic outfit. Free Assembly up top and bottom, and this is called the Ruffle trimmed Mixy tank. It is 87% cotton, and I'm wearing a small, $24. And on bottom, I have the Free Assembly pineapple print shorts. So you've still got a super fun pattern on here. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Farm Rio, and I love that it's got this scallop at the bottom of the print that kind of complements the ruffle sleeves. And actually, this is how I styled it, and I just went and looked on the Walmart site, and this is how they styled it as well. So very cute and comfortable and breezy. And if I didn't mention it, these shorts are 100% viscose. And then on the website, they just had the model wearing the shirt out over the shorts. If you would like this to look a little bit more like a skirt, you could size up to a medium if you're in between sizes, and it would look a little bit more skirt-like. So the ruffle trim tank comes in 4 different colors, and I think one color is going out of stock, but the other 3 colors are still widely available. And then on my feet, I'm wearing aerosols, and these off-white slides are so cute. They're a little dressier looking. They have this fun quilted pattern on the inside. They come in 3 different colors and are on sale right now for $14.99. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. If you're enjoying this video, hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out. It helps me bring you more videos. And then hit that notification bell, so next time you log into YouTube and I post a video, you'll be notified about it. I do a variety of hauls, all the way from uber affordability from Walmart all the way up to more high-end brands like you see at Nordstrom. This scoop crochet tank top really feels like a luxury item. I sized up to a size medium on a hunch that it would be too small on me, and I still have the tag on because I think the medium, the straps are a little bit too long. I'll hold this close to the camera when we get to the next outfit so you can see the crochet pattern on it. It goes all the way around, and this is on sale right now for $16.50 and also comes in black. In fact, I think I might want the black one instead because it can be dressed up to look so luxurious like a higher end brand. But I decided to put it with the free assembly pineapple party skirt because I didn't want to wear just white with this. I think the off-white of this crochet top and the crochet pattern along with the pineapple pattern kind of tones each other down and makes it more of a complete outfit. And does this have pockets? No, it does not. And it's kind of a flouncy skirt. So I just really wanted this skirt. I just thought it was so cute with the 3 tiers and the stitching here and the way that it flounces out a little bit and the nice length of it. I bought it just because I liked it to wear around the house or wear around the yard. But then I think I'm going to wear it to a farmer's market that I go to where we kind of get a lawn chair, we watch a band, we walk around and we look at a car show. So imagine all the fun things that you have planned or that you could be doing and how much fun it is to wear an outfit that's going to be a conversation starter. This skirt also comes in a pattern called Banana Party. So I'm going to put a picture of that up here because I've got to show it to you. I think Banana Party would be super fun for somebody. I decided to go with the pineapples. And I think Banana Party and Pineapple Party are going to sell out before this ever goes on sale. This tank, like most of Walmart's items, come from extra small all the way up to extra large and some of them in plus sizes. And this adorable, really high quality tank from Scoop is 100% cotton, and the Pineapple Party skirt and Banana Party also 100% cotton. And the skirt is $26. So I promised you I was going to show you this Scoop crochet tank top up close. Once again, I picked up a medium. I should have got a small so they fit true to size. It's just beautiful quality, and the crochet is very thick on it. It is cotton, and then the lining in here I believe is a poly. So Free Assembly, switching from Scoop to Free Assembly does a wonderful medium length, slightly cropped box tee. I just love this t-shirt, and it is on rollback right now for $6. So I picked up black, white, and pink, and it comes in 11 different colors. I just love this tee. It's so practical. We were just talking about Banana Party, the skirt, but let's look at Banana Party, the striped short. Officially, it's called Banana Striped Short. Also a free assembly, also $24. And in this particular case, I sized up to a medium because, like I was mentioning before, it's kind of fun to make these look kind of like a skirt. So I dressed it up with the boxy tee and then the thong kitten heels that are so popular right now. This one is from Scoop and is available, I believe, in 3 colors: white, a lime green, and this really fun black. And then it has the square toe, which is so popular right now and is $24. So true confessions, I am not a thong lady. No, I'm not talking about bikini bottoms. I'm talking about the sandals. I cannot wear thong sandals, whether they're kitten heel or whether they're flat. They just bother my toe. And I'm a huge fan of Mary Jane. So I like slides and I like platform sandals, but for comfort, I just love myself a good Mary Jane. And No Boundaries came out with this Strappy ballet sneaker for $24.98. I snapped it up, and this is what I actually in real life would probably wear with this outfit for comfort. So yeah, true story. I got these in the mail yesterday, popped them right on my feet because I had to go to Walmart to get a few things. When I was at Walmart, I saw all this fun and colorful pineapple and banana and prints and shapes, and I went crazy. And I'm so excited to wear all of these different outfits that I've shown you today to different things that I'm doing. Such joy in getting dressed in these, such conversation starters when you're meeting people that you haven't seen for a while or you're sitting next to someone you don't know. I did have another Walmart haul to bring you that I've now postponed, and it was summer dresses and outfits that will transition into fall. That one is coming, so hit that subscribe button, come back and visit me, and thanks so much for watching.